All right, hello everyone. This is David Blakey. This special set of videos is designed to help you through Session 5 homework. We're going to go through the exercises that I've provided that follow all the steps that we would need to take for the homework. And as we're going through these exercises, I'll show you how they relate to the homework step by step. We're going to need to begin by downloading the Jupyter Notebook and the other supporting files for this week. So I'm going to begin with that. Starting from the very top of the page, I'm going to go to Source Data and download Session 5 working files. That file is going to be saved to my Downloads directory. I can either go there directly or I can go looking for it. You may need to go to your File Explorer and find the Downloads directory, and there it is. Now I'm going to drag it over to my desktop because I like to work off of my desktop. I just find that the most convenient place to do things. And then I'm going to go to my desktop and unzip the file. Of course, you remember, as always, if you're in Windows, you'll right-click the zip file and say Extract All. If you double-click the zip file, you'll just be looking at a view of the files. They won't actually be extracted from the zip file. But we want to extract the files. When we go into the directory, we see the supporting files and the exercise files for this week. I've got various states of undress. Here we have a notebook called Exercises 05. That's what we're going to work with today. And we also have supporting data that is both for the assignment, also for the exercises, and also maybe some old exercises. Pages, which are all about the data that we need, the files that we'll be using, especially image files, for the product catalog assignment. This PY Exercises Old is an old set of exercises, and then templates that we'll need as well, including the important product template. We're going to begin by opening up the Exercises 05, and then we'll do a quick review of the homework and see how they relate to our homework, our exercises. So I'm going to go ahead and start Jupyter Notebook. You want to make sure to open up a new terminal window or a command prompt window that is launching, hopefully from your home directory. That's the best way. And then if you install Jupyter Notebook separately, you'll say Jupyter Notebook. If you installed Anaconda, then you'll do something different. I'll show you that in a moment. Calling Jupyter Notebook here, for me, launches Jupyter Notebook and then gives me a file view. As I mentioned, if you're working in Anaconda, you might want to go to your search box and type Anaconda and look for Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator will then give you that view that lets you start Jupyter Notebook. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't need to launch Navigator, but that's what you would do if you had installed Anaconda Navigator and you can't run Jupyter from the terminal window as I just did. Now I'm going to go into the place where I saved the folder and unzipped it, Session 5 working files, so that I can get to the exercises notebook. Now, once it loads, I'm ready to begin, and we can look at the assignment, the homework assignment, and see how it relates to what we're doing here.